The nominations are all in. It's time to reveal the 3 candidates moving on to the primaries for the Independent Party. There were a lot of interesting stray nominations that didn't manage any traction, like Nixon's head from Futurama and the Smoking Man from X-Files, and some surprise nominations that looked like they had a real shot for a minute, like Zaphod Beeblebrox, a nominee with a lot of hours clocked as a president, if not any real experience, and Ziggy Stardust, David Bowie's alter ego, who was knocked out of the running by a single vote. But your 3 options for the Independent Party are Buzz Lightyear, who was nominated 13 times. Second place is Malcolm Reynolds from Firefly, nominated 18 times. And the frontrunner is generically The Doctor, who was nominated 19 times, plus several votes for more specific versions. Perhaps I should have asked everybody to choose a particular version, but I didn't want to give any ideas about specific characters to vote for. So as you're voting in the primaries, to avoid any confusion, I made the executive decision that since no specific Doctor made it to the primaries, if you vote for him, you're voting for the current iteration, Peter Capaldi's 12th Doctor. And now it's time for the primaries. There are 3 links in the description. Each leads to a poll for each of the 3 parties: Star Trek, Star Wars, and Independent. Please select one candidate in each poll you'd like to see get the nomination to run for mock president. These are open primaries, so you may vote in all 3 or any number you'd like. Please do not cheat with multiple accounts. You may only vote for one candidate in each poll. I'll reveal the results on Monday when I'll open up the smear campaign contest. You'll have the opportunity to make an ad supporting your favorite candidate and sandblasting his opponents. And now, to the polls with you!